If you're still manually scanning, tagging, and filing documents into DocuXplorer, you can save a ton of time using our Smart Capture OCR processing tool with the ability to automatically extract information from particular areas of a document. So for example, if you had a stack of 500 invoices and on every one of those invoices, the invoice number always appeared in the same area, you could do a batch scan of those documents, loading in the template that you've created, and DocuXplorer will automatically assign it to the appropriate cabinet, drawer, and folder, as well as tag it with the appropriate metadata. So why is this beneficial? It's beneficial because it reduces the amount of human interaction with a document. So rather than hiring administrative people to stand in front of a scanner all day, looking at the document and tagging it with the metadata, the zonal OCR templates allow you to load the template, do a batch scan, and the process is complete, basically reducing the amount of human interaction down to virtually nothing. So this tutorial is going to show you how to identify and create zones, as well as save the template for future use. And I've already preloaded a document that I've scanned into DocuXplorer. And as you can see, it's a basic sample invoice. And if I had 500 of these, the invoice number would always appear in the same area. The vendor name would always appear in the same area. And basically, you're going to click onto the Create OCR Smart Template icon, and you're going to create a template from scratch. So for example, here we have several different index set fields. We have client name, we have invoice number, we have invoice date, ship date. Let's say I want to create a zone for client name. What I can do is using my cursor, highlight the area in yellow, click onto it, and what happens now is it creates a zone. When I right click onto it, it now allows me to assign a particular index set field to that zone. So if you notice right now, the client name is blank. When I click onto client name, DocuXplorer automatically populates the information. So if you had a very complex form, you might have multiple zones, or you might have a very simple form. It's really up to you. To execute the Smart Capture function, you right-click onto a document, scroll down to Capture Index Information Via, and these are all my templates here. So I'm going to select the most appropriate one. And if it's a one-page document, you're going to process the first page. If it has multiple pages, you can process all the pages. And in this case, the invoice is just one page, so I'm going to select process the first page. When I click onto this, DocuXplorer, using our automated information, is looking at the document and identifying where it belongs in the DocuXplorer hierarchy. So as you can see, it's disappeared from my work folder. If I go up to my library and refresh it, it's created a new cabinet, it's created a new drawer, and it's created a new folder. Now the document resides in the appropriate hierarchy and all the metadata is assigned. This is a good example of how OCR processing can automate your daily business practices. If you need help, have any questions, need assistance getting this going, please contact support@docuexplorer.com or give us a call at area code 917-551-5294.